This is the second day of our last minute riding trip to Arkansas to see the fall color. As you can see, we are blessed with the beautiful morning view, even though the color is not too colorful, but it is still beautiful. We are staying at Matter Lodge inside Petit Jean State Park. It was built between 1933 and 1935, originally named as Petit Jean Lodge, but then the name was changed to Matter Lodge, named after Stephen Matter, who suggested Petit Jean become a state park. On the second day, I decided to ride around the park. Just a slow, short ride, enjoying this beautiful morning. The temperature is around 60s. Yesterday, I rode here by myself and started before noon to make sure I arrive here before sunset. Then, Sinta and Fina could not leave at the same time as Sinta has to work and Fina still has to go to school. They left the house at 5 yesterday and arrived between 10:30 and 11 at night, I think. Today, Sinta still has to work, and so she's staying in the room working while I'm riding around the park. I took a couple days off from work for this trip. Originally, I planned to ride by myself to Jasper and Eureka Spring today. That's about 3.5 hour ride one way and take a pig trail on the way back here. But I changed the plan because Fina has finished her homework, so she's free today. So I decided to take her around the park on the bike, and we'll go to Jasper and Eureka Spring tomorrow with Sinta as well. The park is not that busy today, maybe because this is still a weekday. I don't know, but there are many RV parked here. We were camping here last March this year. We like this park a lot because we could not get reservation in Mount Magazine. This is our second best option. Mount Magazine is about 1 hour going east from here. We're going to Mount Magazine on the way back home on Sunday. Now we are going to make a stop to a coffee house. This is the only coffee house here, and they are really good. They have a really good coffee. Seriously, you should try it. They are really good. Their coffee is really good. Look at this. This is Arkansas River. Just beautiful. This river is one of the witness of a sad history in the 1800s where the federal government at the time issued a law to remove Indian tribe by force from their homeland, Oklahoma, to another locations. The route they went through called Trail of Tears. Some were forced to move by foot and some are loaded to boats and passing through this Arkansas River. Petit Jean State Park was named after a legend in the 1700s where a French girl named Adrienne Dumont has fiancé named Chaffet. He decided to explore a new life in Louisiana area. He promised to marry Adrienne when he returned, but she then decided to disguise as a man and work as a cabin crew on his fiance's ship, and she was called Petit Jean or Little John in English. The ship made a stop in this Arkansas River, and they stayed at the mountain top. But then Petit Jean fell sick, and that's when people discovered that Petit Jean was a girl. Before she died, she was asked for forgiveness from her fiance and asked to be buried at this mountaintop, and this is her gravesite. We also made a stop to Cedar Fall Overlook. Unfortunately, the fall was dried up at this time of the year. The other picture was taken last spring, and the fall was beautiful, as you can see. Last year we hiked to the fall, and it is about 2 mile round trip. Not bad at all, and it is moderate and kid-friendly trail. If you will come here, don't miss this trail. It's literally worth it. Last year we got lost when we trying to find the trail to the fall, but we end up finding little stream of water. It was beautiful walk, and it's worth it. And this is called Martin Overlook. It's just gorgeous. This is called Turtle Rock. It is look like a turtle. And this is Rock House Cave. There's so many ancient graffiti inside this cave. After exploring the park, this beautiful park, we decided to return to the lodge to take a break. In the evening, we decided to come back to Palisade Overlook to catch the sunset. It's just a beautiful sunset that we do not want to miss, and take some more picture for this trip.